Get in there to him. There you go. You guys are doing good. Get him, Hardy. Get him.
Hardy, come on, feel it. I feel you, Hardy. Get up. Go get him. There you go. All right. Come on. I like that's what I want to hear. When you hit
Quick,
that back.
quick, baby, quick.
All right. Don't jump.
You gotta jump over the moon. There you go. All right. Yeah, you're gonna wrap him up.
He's a mean boy. He was determined. He had that determined look on his face. Like he was going to drive him home.
He's getting better.
This one here is getting better.
I tell you what, they've
His
all
first day out
improved.
here too.
Huh?
That's his first day out here too.
Which one?
The one right here laying
Yeah,
right
it
there.
is, isn't it? Yeah.
That's his first day out here.
Yeah. I'll tell you what, each time these guys have gotten better. Each time.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, you know what? Hey, coach.
This is crazy.